welcome back to my channel. Man, where have I been? It's been a month since I uploaded. I went to the Gulf Shores in my last video. I started another channel. I think I've already talked about that. I rebranded my channel for that one. It's where I go into no-code development and freelance web design. So that's all of my journey from there. So there's that. What else did I do? I haven't done much. Just working that full-time job I talked about, 2 or 3 clients this summer. In addition to that, another client, huge client that I'm working with, there's that as well. And also a part-time job that I've had. These guys take care of me all the time. Been taking care of me for 3 years when I was laid off. So I just do contract work for them. And so here I am, busy as heck. It's about to be the greatest season in all, the best time of the year in all of America, which is the fall. So football, kids are back in school, cooler weather. I can plop open the windows. I can do this right here. Watch this. Check this out. I could do that. So yeah, pumpkin spice candles. Oh, pumpkin spice candles. Let's go. Okay, what else? Okay, so wow. Been working on my business. Like I said, this is gonna be huge. So I mean, I've been putting in a lot of work. I redid my website. Roll the footage myself. Future me, roll the footage. It looks so good. Just look at it. I redid the colors, pretty much the same colors, green and purple, but I made them more vibrant, more electric, more me. I redid my logo a few times. It finally came up with this. I have 2 logos. So my projects look good. I put a little video in here. I got a cool sticker art that I got from the chat bot. Basically redid the whole thing, selling more digital assets, so I've been busy doing that. So that's all I've been doing, you know. I've been building this brand because I'm working as a contractor mostly, and so I want to focus on the brand and who I am, who they're working with, so they can trust me. I'm about to go on one final vacation to the Kima Boardwalk, so that's gonna be nice. But for now, let me show you what I've been doing this summer with the fam. So we went down to Galveston just for a short day trips at the beach. So this was after the Gulf Shores. We got back, took a week off. My wife's friend came into town. We went down there to Galveston, check out the amenities, check out the boardwalk down there. And it wasn't bad. People had give it a bad rep, but right now it's all cleared up. All the water's super clear. It's blue. It looks like Mexico because it's in the Gulf of Mexico. So I'm like, what? So it's a cute little town. You know, we're just doing the whole beach day thing. It was hot that day. I remember that. But the hotter the better in the summertime, in my opinion. Came back down, you know, just we like to continue to look for new places to eat, which is a huge endeavor in its own because there's so much food, there's so much diversity. It's just way too much. I've been here for a year and a half and I continuously want to go to new food places, but I also have my like favorites. So it's just like, should I go back to my favorites or should I keep looking for new spots? And we just keep looking for new spots. So there's that. This place over here down at the La Centera in Katy in Cinco Ranch. Pretty big neighborhood, pretty old school, really beautiful, gorgeous. I don't think people know, I don't really hear about Cinco Ranch that much when people refer to Katy, and they're just missing out. They probably think of it as just I-35 and they just think it's like strip malls and I-35, that's all it, or I-10, I'm sorry. They just think Katy is I-10 with strip malls on the side, and that's completely false. It's these old historic neighborhoods, beautiful, tons of business, culture is diverse. $100. Food is astronomical out here. So anyway, just dropped my, I found it. I found my, I thought I lost this forever. Come on. It's my my little dreamy filter. Let me plop that on right there. Oh, look at that. Just makes the light a little bit more dreamy. See that light back there? Yeah, just makes it a little bit more dreamy. So I thought I lost it. Whatever. Found it. Thank you. It was on this microphone. Whoa. Anyway, back to the video. We are talking about the food, right? Food is amazing.
He got the enfrijoladas. She got I got tapas with egg and barbacoa with the side of alcohol.
The boys got some.
Palomas.
Oh, palomas.
Yeah, palomas.
They don't eat, they just drink.
The boys.
Yeah, like we don't look at what it is.
The boys been drinking. Yeah. Love it. I've gone and explored downtown finally, went to a trail. The footage, I lost all the footage. I don't know where the footage went, but we stopped at this really freaking cute coffee shop. I need to get my drone, I need to get another drone because I'm missing out this B-roll footage that I really want to capture. The whole point of this channel is to capture everything that I'm doing, and if I can't do that, then I'm missing out, and the drone is the best way to tell the story. So yeah, that's pretty much the highlight of this whole video. Is I've been going and exploring food choices. Family's been coming in and out, taking my daughter to do cool stuff. Yeah, it's pretty much it for now, but I swear to it this time, I'm gonna prioritize this channel. I've been having a ton of fun on the other channel where I'm doing more easier to edit things like just coding tutorials, not coding, and no coding web design tutorials, the process of a freelance developer and designer. So there's that. So here we go. I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna hold myself accountable. Let's go.